Hi, this is Chris Wiley with the Liv Realty Team at RE/MAX Results. Thanks for watching Things to Know Before Moving into Your Newly Built Home. If you're looking at newly built homes, these tips will make moving a pleasant experience. Number 1, choose a reputable builder. You need to know if you have a good builder. Talk to people in the community and check online reviews. Number 2, be add-on aware. Add-ons will drive the price up. Just like when buying a car, make sure you know that your higher quality materials will cost you more, like granite, crown molding, additional bathrooms, wainscoting. Stay involved in the building process. Keep in regular contact with your contractor so you know any issues that come up. Ask for regular meetings and discuss your progress. Learn the neighborhood. Partner with an agent who knows the area and also meet your new neighbors. Be flexible. Deadlines need to be a little flexible. Issues are going to come up when you're building a new home. Be prepared to have a place to stay just in case you need to be out of your old home before your new one is ready. Plan a walkthrough. Don't feel that you're being a pest. You are spending your money on your home and want to make sure everything is going well. Ask your agent for tips on what to check on progress-wise. Look into new home warranties and ask your agent for referrals for insurance, etc. We are a wealth of knowledge and want the process to go smooth for you. If you have any questions about buying a home or you have a topic you'd like us to cover in one of these videos, give us a call or send us an email. We look forward to hearing from you.